Get ready to embark on a virtual journey to one of the most luxurious and enchanting destinations in the Caribbean. Today, we're diving into the world of Sanctuary Cap Cana, an adults-only paradise nestled in the heart of Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. This isn't just any resort. It's a slice of heaven that's been catching the eyes of travelers seeking the ultimate escape. Picture this. You're stepping into a world where Spanish colonial architecture meets modern luxury. The moment you arrive, you're greeted by the sight of stunning white buildings with terracotta roofs, perched dramatically on an oceanfront cliff. The turquoise waters of the Caribbean stretch out before you, promising days of sun-soaked bliss. But that's just the beginning of what Sanctuary Cap Cana has to offer. Let's talk about the rooms, shall we? Forget your standard hotel fare. We're talking about accommodations that'll make you feel like royalty. The castle rooms are a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern comfort. Imagine rich wood accents, tropical rattan furnishings, and elegant coral bathrooms that'll have you feeling like you've stepped into a designer's dream. And the best part? Each room comes with its own furnished balcony or terrace. Morning coffee with an ocean view. Anyone? But wait, there's more. These rooms are packed with amenities that'll make you never want to leave. We're talking flat-screen TVs, mini bars that are restocked daily, midnight snacks, and espresso machines for those who need their caffeine fix. And let's not forget the bathrobes and slippers, because who doesn't love feeling like they're in a spa 24/7? Now, if you're feeling extra fancy, the villas are where it's at. These bad boys take luxury to a whole new level. We're talking private pools, spacious outdoor areas, and enough room to make you feel like you've got your own private resort within the resort. It's like Inception, but with more cocktails and sunshine. All right, let's move on to something that's close to all our hearts: food. Sanctuary Cap Cana doesn't mess around when it comes to dining. They got a whopping 5 restaurants, each with its own unique vibe and cuisine. First up, we got the steakhouse. This isn't your average meat joint. We're talking high-quality cuts that'll make even the most discerning carnivore weak at the knees. Then there's Passive Wok, where you can get your Asian food fix. Craving some pasta? Casa Bella's got you covered with Mediterranean and Italian dishes that'll transport your taste buds straight to the shores of the Mediterranean. Seafood lovers, don't worry, we haven't forgotten about you. Capriccio serves up Italian cuisine with a focus on the fruits of the sea, while Blue Marlin offers a more casual seafood experience. But here's the kicker: it's all-inclusive. That's right, folks. You can eat and drink to your heart's content without worrying about the bill at the end. It's like being a kid in a candy store, except the candy is gourmet cuisine and top-shelf liquor. Just remember to pace yourselves. We don't want any food comas ruining your beach time. Speaking of beaches, let's talk about the pools and beaches at Sanctuary Cap Cana. This place doesn't do anything by halves, and that includes their water features. We're talking 6 swimming pools. From infinity pools that seem to melt into the ocean to adults-only pools for when you want some peace and quiet, they've got it all. And let's not forget the swim-up bars, because nothing says vacation like sipping a piña colada while you're still in the water. But if you're more of an ocean person, you're in for a treat. The resort boasts a stunning stretch of white sand beach that'll make you feel like you've stepped into a postcard. And the best part? It's just steps away from your room. Imagine waking up, grabbing your sunscreen, and being on the beach in minutes. That's the kind of convenience we can all get behind. Now let's talk activities. Because while lounging by the pool or beach is great, sometimes you want a little more excitement. Sanctuary Cap Cana has got you covered. They offer a range of water sports for the adventurous types. Want to explore the underwater world? Try snorkeling or diving. Feeling the need for speed? They've got you covered with motorized water sports. And for those who prefer to stay on dry land, there's a state-of-the-art fitness center where you can work off all those all-inclusive meals. They even offer yoga classes for those looking to find their zen. But let's be real, you're on vacation. And what's a vacation without some serious pampering? The spa at Sanctuary Cap Cana is like a slice of paradise within paradise. We're talking full-body massages that'll leave you feeling like jelly in the best way possible. Facials that'll have you glowing like a newlywed, and body treatments that'll make you feel brand new. And the best part? The spa facilities include a sauna and steam room, perfect for detoxing after a night of indulging in those all-inclusive cocktails. Now, I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but what about entertainment? Well, hold on to your sombreros, because Sanctuary Cap Cana has got that covered too. They offer a range of activities and entertainment options that'll keep you busy from sunrise to sunset and beyond. We're talking live music performances that'll have you dancing the night away, themed dinners that'll transport you to different parts of the world, and even cooking classes for those who want to take a piece of the Dominican Republic home with them. But what really sets Sanctuary Cap Cana apart is its attention to detail and commitment to guest satisfaction. The staff here are like mind readers, anticipating your needs before you even realize you have them. Need an extra towel? It's there. Craving a midnight snack? They got you covered. It's this level of service that turns a great vacation into an unforgettable one. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. Yes, Sanctuary Cap Cana is a luxury resort, and it comes with a luxury price tag. But here's the thing. When you factor in the all-inclusive nature of the resort, the high-quality amenities, and the level of service, it starts to look like a pretty good deal. Plus, they often offer promotions and packages that can make it more affordable. And let's be honest, can you really put a price on paradise? But don't just take my word for it. Guests who've stayed at Sanctuary Cap Cana rave about their experiences. From couples celebrating milestone anniversaries to friends on a girl's getaway, the reviews are overwhelmingly positive. People love the beautiful setting, the luxurious rooms, and the attentive staff. Of course, no place is perfect, and some guests have mentioned that the food can be a bit repetitive if you're staying for a longer period. But hey, that's just an excuse to try out all the restaurants, right? So, what's the verdict on Sanctuary Cap Cana? In a nutshell, it's a slice of paradise that offers luxury, relaxation, and excitement in equal measure. Whether you're looking for a romantic getaway, a place to celebrate a special occasion, or just a spot to escape the daily grind, this resort has got you covered. From the moment you arrive to the moment you, reluctantly, leave, you'll be treated like royalty. In conclusion, if you're looking for a vacation that combines stunning natural beauty, luxurious accommodations, gourmet dining, and top-notch service, Sanctuary Cap Cana should be at the top of your list. Just be warned, once you've experienced this level of luxury, your standards for vacations might be forever changed. But hey, that's not a bad problem to have, right? So pack your bags, grab your sunscreen, and get ready for a vacation that'll have you feeling like you've died and gone to Caribbean heaven. Sanctuary Cap Cana is waiting for you. For checking booking availability and prices at your desired dates, you can use the link in description. I hope this video was helpful. Give it thumbs up, subscribe for more travel-related content. If you are not ready to book this hotel, you can watch our best hotels playlist and choose the best one for you. Thanks for watching.